What is it about me and my service animals that you don't understand? Oh, the dog look like it's swimming. Oh, yeah. Isn't that wonderful? Oh, he doesn't give the dog any water after it swims. Maybe because the dog drinks salt water while it's swimming. Only a fucking pagan pedophile would think anything other than that. Someone out after the children trying to molest old women and turn their virtues against them. But that's okay. This is St. Croix. This is my new service animal. What you gonna take them for? Because I'm gonna get my other ones back. And I want you all to know that I've got some nice color pictures to show you of what the police did to my service animals, as if making it out it was the service animal consultant, handler, retard. Everyone stay tuned. There's going to be more sickness, more foolishness, and much more buffoonery.